Okay. Well, welcome guys to today's review of the VW ID4. Today I'm going to make a little bit review on a little test drive. Let's call it a test drive because I have no real experience with this vehicle prior. I drove it a few times, but right now I'm going to do a little test drive. As I said, as you can see in the video, I already. Oh, let's plug the phone in. We won't lose it. So yeah, let's plug the phone in. So I already did a little walk around. I think in general let's put it in. Jesus Christ, this car is horrendous. As I said, I already did a little walk around. I think the VW ID4 is in general a really beautiful car and one of the most beautiful currently. One of the most beautiful cars of VW. I really like, in general, I really enjoy the electric cars. I really enjoy the look when they don't have like fake grills. Especially, like I really enjoy when electric cars have like when there's like no grill. I mean, electric cars don't have engines, so they don't need something for cooling, so they don't need a big grill. I think this looks really ugly when electric cars do have this. So if in general the ID4 looks really nice, it's really the interior is also really nice. It feels really like there's a lot of space and it feels the materials are all right. I mean, it's a VW, I guess. It's like not this just some rubber plastic, and I mean you have some leather here and there. There's some leather, and I'm not sure if this is Alcantara, but the seats feel all right. I mean the seats in my 1991 Honda Civic feel nicer, but I don't know. I think there's zero people out there who will agree with me, but I think that's what I think. So now I'm going to take it on a little drive. I guess as you already know, the ID4 and ID3 and ID5 and ID6, and I think there's an ID7 and ID8. There's so many electric cars VW is making, and yeah, they are electric. As you probably already knew, the ID4 is an electric car, and yeah.
Electronics store.
Oh no, I didn't talk to the car. Well, let's put it into drive, and yeah, let's have a little drive and enjoy the car a bit and look how it drives. And Jesus, please stop talking. And how it drives, and yeah, I guess I'm just going to share my experience. Yeah, I guess as you can see, we are in Berlin, and well, yeah, let's go. Electric cars, it's really satisfying. The acceleration is so freaking fast on these things. Oh, there's an R8. Beautiful car. It's really fun to drive, and it's huge. I love the look of the lights, especially in the back. They look fucking good. In the front looks also good. The ID, especially when the car's black, it's really nice. It's a nice electric car. I mean, it's still VW. The interior is, I mean, this plastic everywhere. Jesus Christ! Who thought of, oh, that's a nice interior. Let's make everything black, glossy plastic. Doesn't look cheap at all. It looks really cheap, but it's all right. I mean, the car, I think, how much is it? Like 40 or 50 grand, like when brand new. But it's nice. It looks like a little it could be a military vehicle or not, but maybe it could. From the looks, it's like really rugged. It's like, yeah, I don't know. Always green. Okay. Berlin at night is really beautiful, but my GoPro is like, when I film in the dark and take videos in the dark, the GoPro looks really like, the video does not look as great like as in the day. Of course it doesn't. It's just a GoPro. It's not like, it can't handle low light really good, but it's alright. It's alright. It's better than nothing, I guess. Okay, I guess there isn't much to say anymore, because it's an electric vehicle. It's sort of quiet. It's not really quiet. I like never drove anything like really luxurious like an S-Class, so I don't know how quiet cars really can get. But from what I've heard, in the new 7 Series or like in a Rolls-Royce, the cars are so, the Rolls-Royce, what I've read is that the new Rolls-Royce or like 7 Series were so quiet in testing that customers, no, not in testing, and when some customers, when the new 7 Series and Rolls-Royce were sold, and some customers said that the cars are literally too quiet, that it's annoying because it's too quiet in the car, because they made the car so quiet that it's kind of scared. I don't know exactly what the customer said, but I hope that I'm right with what I'm saying. But the cars were so quiet, they had to take out some layers to make them more noisy again. It's crazy, isn't it? Comments under the video if yeah, just leave comments on the video if you want me, if there are any cars you would really like to see a review on or a driving impression on, and a quick talk, I guess my opinion on the car, then just